Good morning, students. Welcome you all once again on your live classes. You are with me, your sir Subham Chaube, and today we are going to have our English lecture. Dear, in today's class, I am going to teach you letter writing, and especially we'll discuss formal letter and its format and how to write it. So for that, I am taking to you my computer screen. Yes, you are here with, once again you can see me here. Dear, before we start discussing about formal letter and its format, would be better for us that we should know that what is letter. See, letter is a way for passing message. It may be that an individual we are writing to our family member, we are writing to our friends, or it may be that we are writing to any officer of any office, to any private sector or any other purpose. So on account of these use of letter, it has been classified in two groups: formal letter and informal letter. See, formal letter is called official letter that we use to write to an officer or to any office, and second is informal letter that we write to our family member, to our friends, to our relatives, and many more. Today I am going to tell you formal letter and its format and how to write it. See dear, so before we start discussing format, we should know that what is formal letter. I told you also. See, here I have written also a letter which is written to an office or an officer is called formal letter. For example, you can take a letter to the principal. Your principal you write DM, CM, Prime Minister of your country or any country, and to the editor of new channel if you are writings. That letter will also come in the category of formal letter. That letter will also come in the category of formal letter. See the format. Formal letter contain 8 points. How many points? 8 points are there in formal letter. Number 1, sender address. I am telling you both thing here, that the points also, and I will show you that how to write in your page. See, I have made a layout like your page, and here you can see that how to write. See, first point is sender address. I have written here address, Awas Vikas Colony, Kanpur. You can write any address, but in your question paper you will be given your name also, your address also, so you need not to assume. Suppose if it is not given, then you can write, you can imagine, and you can write anyone. You can write your personal also, you can write anyone. There is no boundation. Second is date. We write date just after address, giving a line gap. We write here date. For example, I have written 2nd July 2020. Like that you can also write. Third is receiver, post and address. Receiver, post and address means the person you are writing the letter. Suppose you are writing to principal. Principal is the post, and your school name Sunbeam Academy is the address. Suppose you are writing DM of Varanasi, so DM district magistrate is the post, and then you write the address Varanasi, so that will be the address. So like that, whoever you are writing, to whomever you are writing, you should write the post and then the address, like this, as I have written the principal Sunbeam Academy Varanasi. Next is our subject. Subject means the topic or the purpose for which you are writing the letter. You will mention here in 1.5 line, maximum 1.5 line. You need not to write too much in the subject. To the point you write, because subject give information about your letter, that what and why you are writing. Next point is the 5th point, that will be the greeting. After subject you will skip once again 1 line, and then you write your greeting, respected sir or madam, accordingly. And after that you write body of the letter. Body of the letter contain your message. There will be no gap between the greeting and body of the message. Just below you will start writing, and you will continue to write. You can divide your body of the letter in 3 parts. First 2-3 lines you can tell your problems. Next 2 lines, what do you want? from the officer or to whom you are writing, what do you are expecting from him, and in last will be your concluding line. You will close your letter with thanking him for the things, for the help you are willing from him to get. So this is the part of your message. And next will be the subscription. You write subscription like yours affectionately, yours faithfully, yours obediently. That will be your subscription. You can write like this, and after that 8 point will be your name or signature you have to write here. It can be Pooja, Rohit, whatever. In letter it is given also, sometime in question it is given also that you are so and so. You will mention same name. If it is given in a question only your name, you will mention the same one. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now the points, format of the letter, formal letter is clear, and how to write it in the page, it is also clear. So now this is the format. Now I am going to show you with one example. I am going to give you an example. You will see that how it is written there. See, this is one question I have written for you so that you can understand it better. See, question is, write an application to your principal requesting him or her for arranging special class of math. Give reason why it is necessary. Means you want some extra classes, some special classes of the math, and you have to write a letter to your principal. So how you can write it? Simply you write your address. Okay. First I have written Shivpuri Colony, Kanpur. Date I have written 3rd July. You can also write accordingly. Date July. See, everything is from the left hand side and parallel. Third point will be your receiver post. Receiver post and address you will mention here. And next point will be subject. See, I have written for arranging a special class of mathematics. I have written here. And the 5th point is greeting. That will be respected sir or madam. You write like that. And 6th point, the body. See, I have written from here to here. It is we, the student of class 9th. You can start like that. You can write as you wish. There is no foundation. You can write, and here your body finish. And 7th point will be the subscription. Yours obediently I have written. You can also write like this. You can also write yours faithfully, yours sincerely. This word you can use, subscription. And finally the 8th point will be your name. I have written Rajit. You can write your name also, or if it is given in the question you can write the same. So that's all, dear students. And so that's all, dear students, in today's class. Hope you all have enjoyed. And so for the next class we'll see you with a new topic. Till then, you keep watching, keep studying. Good luck.